Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reprogram Audi A6 key fob. Sit in the driver's seat, doors closed, ignition off, and gather all fobs. Insert a programmed key, turn to accessory, then off, and press the new fob's lock for 5 seconds. Turn ignition on then off to store the code. Repeat the lock press for each additional fob until all respond. Now follow clear steps to program each fob. Begin with a working key in the ignition, turn to accessory, then off. Hold the new fob's lock button for 5 seconds until the car signals acceptance. Turn ignition on and off to confirm the memory. If multiple fobs are needed, repeat the lock press sequence for each one before exiting the car to test range and responsiveness. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free music and timers while you tinker, and it pairs nicely with garage tools and voice commands. I find it handy for countdowns during programming steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If programming fails, don't panic. Try common fixes first. Swap in a fresh battery and repeat the exact steps with a verified compatible fob. Make sure an already programmed key is used to initiate the sequence and keep all keys in the vehicle during programming. If immobilizer warnings appear or the car won't accept codes, consult a dealer or locksmith for diagnostic tools and secure reprogramming options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.